This is the math language video. Current thinking in mathematics reform emphasizes teaching mathematics around real-world problems. These should be problems that are relevant to learners. The focus is on getting students to talk about math and its application to everyday life, as seen in architecture, art, sports, family budgeting, and other real-world connections. However, not all students are accustomed to learning mathematics in this way. In particular, students from other countries may be more used to learning algorithms, manipulating mathematical expressions, and solving recipe-type problems. It is often a shock for students who suddenly realize that it is not enough simply to come up with a correct answer. In addition, they have to explain with sentences and phrases how they arrive at a solution. This is what we call math talk, or the specialized language of mathematics. In this video, we will look at some key features of the mathematics register. Many say that mathematics is a language all its own because math uses a set of meaningful symbols. Although some math symbols are shared across languages, they are by no means universal. Not all cultures use the same Arabic numeral system that we do in the West. There are other differences in notation even between European countries and the United States. More important is the simple fact that many students who have had interrupted educational backgrounds may not have learned the set of symbols common even in elementary mathematics. Thus, it is important not to assume that mathematics symbols are universally understood by all learners. As in all of the content areas, vocabulary in mathematics can be subdivided into general, specialized, and technical vocabulary. In mathematics discourse, we find words and phrases that are used generally in all academic disciplines. Words such as combine, describe, and consequently are part of a general academic vocabulary. In contrast, some specialized words are associated only with mathematics. Specialized words such as quotient, hypotenuse, and angle are found across mathematics topics, but students are less likely to see these terms in other disciplines such as history or English language arts. Finally, technical vocabulary such as quadratic equations and perfect numbers are encountered in a specific topic in mathematics. In other words, not only are these terms specialized to mathematics, but also unique to a specific topic in math. In mathematics discourse, we use words in specific ways to talk about counting and measuring. These are quantitative relationships. For example, roughly in mathematics might refer to notions of approximating. Similarly, greater in mathematics discourse might mean comparing numbers in greater than or less than notation. Logical relationships are also unique when in the context of mathematics, particularly in story problems. Consider a simple word such as if when used in a story problem. Students learn how to translate logical relationships into mathematical relationships in order to solve problems. As with other content areas, mathematics has words with both everyday and mathematical meanings. The phenomena in language when one form has many meanings is called polysemy. This is illustrated with words such as plane, face, bring down, net, and negative. In contrast, we also find forms or synonyms to a single meaning. For example, the concept addition can be expressed with add, plus, combine, sum, and many other forms. Math discourse, particularly as it is experienced in word or story problems, can be very problematic for language learners. When you are teaching, look carefully for expressions that may confuse learners. For example, sometimes pronouns are used to refer to different subjects, or the referent of a subject shifts. Other times, directions are not clear. In still other cases, small words take on specific meanings in mathematics discourse. Notice in this example how the word in takes on a specific meaning, such as in feet and in seconds. Also, the phrase is given by means a mathematical equation. Finally, notice that where does not talk about a physical place, and that when is used in two different senses. First, to introduce a variable, and then as a question word. Good mathematics instruction considers the unique discourse of math. The goal is to help our students think and talk like mathematicians. On this slide, you see several suggestions for best practices around teaching the language and content of mathematics. As a novice teacher, we suggest that you concentrate on one or two of these strategies at any one time. As you develop your skills, these strategies will become more natural to you, and you will find that you do these things automatically without even thinking about it. Now, you will test your understanding of this video.